We'll attach our polywire directly to the ground terminal, wrap it around an extra loop, screw the wing nut tight. It's got a good electrical connection. These are not insulated wires, so they have to be sure that they don't make contact. So we wrap the ground wire back around the stake or whatever you have holding your energizer, and then come down to our ground rod and take a wrap clockwise around there and twist the nuts snug on the line. And now we've got the ground line going in to our ground rod.